Don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Don't look a gift horse in the mouth. It can also be said as never look a gift horse in the mouth. It is an idiom. It means do not find fault with something that has been given to you as a gift. In other words, don't be ungrateful when you receive a gift. So, when you don't respect the gift that you have received, then you are really looking a gift horse in the mouth. Let us see it in the examples. The first one, I know you don't like the dress very much, but it was a gift. You should not look a gift horse in the mouth. I know you don't like the dress, but as it is a gift, you should be grateful to the person who has given the gift. You should not look a gift horse in the mouth. Don't insult it. Second one, don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Be grateful for what you have received. So don't insult whatever you have received. Be grateful. Be thankful for whatever you have received. That's the reason don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Third one, Mahesh complained about the second-hand cycle that his aunt had given him. I told him not to look a gift horse in the mouth. So Mahesh was not very happy about the second-hand cycle that his aunt has given him, but I told him, be happy because you should not look a gift horse in the mouth. You should be grateful for that. Fourth one, he gave his old car as a gift. I know it's not a great one, but I wouldn't look a gift horse in the mouth. I know that was not a new car, but I am very happy, content, because I don't want to look a gift horse in the mouth. Fifth one, Akash always complains about the gifts I gave him. He shouldn't look a gift horse in the mouth. I always give gifts to Akash, but he was not very happy. He always finds some fault with it. That's the reason he should not find fault. He should not look a gift horse in the mouth. So when we look at the origin of this idiom, don't look a gift horse in the mouth or never look a gift horse in the mouth. The normal way to determine a horse's age and its condition is to look at its teeth. If the teeth are long, it indicates that the animal is old and not in good condition. When you are given a horse as a gift, don't open its mouth to determine the condition of the animal. So finally, don't look a gift horse in the mouth means do not find fault with something that has been given to you as a gift. That is to be grateful whatever you have received.